Hello viewers, this is Dow Too Fast here. Now over the years, I've done many videos on installing LED lights in many different vehicles. With each video, I often get asked what bulb size fits this car or that car. The answer is not so simple because with every make, model and generation of a vehicle, the type of bulbs used in the vehicle will be different. So you really have to do some research to find out what bulb size your vehicle uses before purchasing the correct LED lights. In this video, I will show you 3 ways you can find out what is the correct bulb size used in your vehicle. So the first method is actually quite simple. Go to your glove box in your vehicle and pull out the vehicle's owner's manual. As an example, here I have a 2016 Honda Civic owner's manual. Go to the table of content and look for the section titled Maintenance. If you look through this section, you'll find a page that will list all the light bulbs used in this vehicle. So in this manual, under Specifications, here's a section for light bulbs, and here it tells you the low beam is H11, the high beam is HB3, but sometimes they might not list the actual bulb size. So for example, if you're looking up the bulb size for backup light, it only says 16 watt. But it's still worth taking a look, as this might give you the information you're looking for. The second method is to go online and use an online automotive bulb lookup tool. There are 2 online resources you can use for this. One is from the company Sylvania, and the other one is Philips. Personally, I prefer the Philips online tool. It gives you a complete list of all the bulbs for your vehicle on one single page, whereas the Sylvania tool breaks it down between exterior and interior bulbs. First, let me show you the Philips lookup tool. With this tool, you first specify the year of the vehicle. Again, I'll use the 2016 Honda Civic as an example. Next, select the make, Honda. Now select the vehicle model, Civic, body. And here it lists all the bulbs used in this vehicle. It tells you the low beam is H11, high beam is 9005, the backup light is 921, the brake light is 7440. As you can see, this tool is very simple to use. Now let me show you the Sylvania tool. First, specify the year. Next, select the make, the model. Next, it will ask you to choose which light you're looking up. So let's say if you want to look up the low beam, select that. Now it gives you a list of all different types of bulbs they make. I'll choose basic. On the right, it tells you the low beam is H11 bulb size. Now if you scroll down, you can select the full vehicle bulb list right here. These ones here are the forward-facing bulbs. Next to it is exterior. These are the exterior bulbs. Next to it is interior. And this interior bulb. As you can see, the Philips tool is a little bit easier to use, but both are very helpful in looking up bulb sizes. The third method of looking up the bulb size is one that people often don't think about, and that is to go to your vehicle and take that bulb out and look at what you have. This is the most accurate way of finding out which bulb size you need. Also, by doing this, you will find out if the bulb is easily accessible or not. After checking it, you might decide you really don't want to do this install, and it's better to find out early before you buy the LED lights. So for those of you that might be interested in upgrading the lights on your vehicle from the regular incandescent bulb to LED lights, or perhaps you have a burnt bulb and you just want to find out what is a replacement bulb you need, I hope you found this video to be helpful. Now I will include the links for both the Sylvania and Philips online tool in the description below. You can bookmark them for future use. If you have any questions or comments, leave one below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click on a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to support this channel. Also click on the notification bell so you'll get notified of my new videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.